One thing that I think is super important here is to paint faster than your mind can think, so that you can get ahead of overthinking, judgment, and doubt. These are a little more mindset-y than they are technical, but they're really important for us no matter what our level of painting is, beginner, intermediate, advanced. I think all of us can understand getting in our own head about what we're doing and having that sabotage what we're doing, to overthink, to then overjudge it, and then to doubt what you're doing. And then eventually what that does is drive us off this cliff, and we quit for the most part. So what we want to think about when we're doing this, and again, the container that we're working in with sketches is the container that allows us to just play a little bit more, to take the pressure off of having to make it anything close to perfect or anything even remotely worthy of showing anybody. You have to get all of that out of your head, and you just have to respond to what you're doing. I joke sometimes that I paint like somebody's chasing me. I need to do that so that I can outrun my inner critic, because if I don't, what happens is there's this constant chatter of, it has to be this way. Are you sure that's right? Is that right? Is that right? And it just sort of like kills the momentum. If you go quickly, if you just sort of get to know your palette, get the muscle memory of mixing and putting the paint on there, get into the groove that it feels like when you make a mark and you say, does that work? Yes, keep it. Does it not work? Change it. Does it work? Keep it. Does it not work? Change it. And then onward and onward like that. You just sort of listen to the last mark that you made and you look at it holistically, and then you sort of keep the process invigorating rather than tedious and exhausting. So if it's tedious and exhausting, that's a red flag. You might need to just step away, and you might need to reapproach it in a way that makes you feel a little bit more like you're making quicker decisions. You don't have to rush your painting, you just have to intentionally and mindfully paint without overdoing the judgment.